burn, burn! I've got these monsters in my head. We still have what? Half a tape left or something? That's good, hot. That's not going anywhere. You little ripper. Yeah, so mate, with Cindy. Maddie's up in the room, dinner's here. Let's get into it. So here we are, all set up, round one, Hi-Tec. Let's get into it. I've got these monsters in my head. Okay, so track day is almost done. Just about to do qualifying. Unfortunately, we haven't had the best day. We've been fighting alignment issues and getting the tyres right, the right grip. So we've got it sort of as good as we can at the moment, and just have to deal with what we can. Try and have a play around tonight to try and get it a bit better. So, but all in all, power's good, car's feeling good, and still happy. I'm out here drifting. maybe.
That cool fucking thing. Little little mighty boy. Drag car. Look at the tub on it.
What the fucking hell?
Look at the tub on it.
Get that shit.
Get that shit. Get that shit.
Get that shit.
Damn.
Damn, what's that run? Delay under the dash or what?
So we're here, day 2, comp day. Let's get it going. I'm off the back. Let's do this.
Fuck yeah, I'm so keen, cunt.
Yeah! So here we are, getting ready for the comp day. Final checks, a few little tweaks. We should be running good. Day's looking sweet so far, but I reckon there's supposed to be thunderstorms about 2 PM. So we'll see how we go. We're fighting overheating issues and had steering issues yesterday and a few others, but we managed to go through it and still get 4th place, so can't complain with that. Bring on the battles, baby.
Yeah, buddy. Good luck, bro.
So, semi-good start to the season. Car's back on the trailer in one piece. The only damage we got was a crack here in the bar and decided to majestically go the other way, I guess you could say. But unfortunately we got knocked out early, had a mechanical failure. So we're going to have to sort that out and yeah, hopefully get something better sorted for the season, because yeah, I can't have this going on. So that's it for this vlog. It's going to be a short one. It's just too hectic to film with all the stuff going on, unfortunately. And with the new rules now, we're not allowed to actually have the GoPros on our helmets because of the new CAMS rules. So if we do want to, we've got to put a letter to the manufacturers of the helmets and try and get them passed so it doesn't void the ADR, yada yada yada. So that's interesting. I'll have to work out how to mount or not work out, but just look for different mounting styles so we can still get decent footage on the inside and just take it from there. Until then, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.